Hey there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to make backup of Twitter bookmarks. So for this, we need to open Play Store app and search for Twitter Bookmark Manager. Once you type it, then press search. Now here we have this first app. You need to install it. Once the app is installed, now open this app. And if I click on the top right corner, you will find this download option. From here, you need to add the login details of your Twitter account, and from there it will generate all the bookmarks. Now here you find this label option, click on it, and now here you can create a label. Let's create a new label saying new category, and then click on this plus button, and after that a new category will be added. Now if I go back, as you can see, a new category label is added here. Now let's add a label on this. Choose the label and then click on save. In this way, the label is added. If you click on label, you will find all the bookmarks added in that label. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.